You vagabond lawyer. Where is the 10 million you win for court?
My brother, as I presciently, meticulously perorated and calibrated from my hypothalamus and hippocampus, if you look at my facial physiognomy and physog, you can deduce that everything I've told you is the absolute dinkum oil.
See, no carry us play. I know the lie one person they can. If I verse, if I come on my color here, if I come on my color, I don't go like him. Where the money there?
What I'm saying is that I'm not denying that I'm not a bench of the judication. I'm actually a high mock, head honcho and gaffer of the judication and law court.
No carry me play, like kidnapper be.
But what I'm saying is that I'm pleading with you people not to eclipse me in such Mephistophelian macabre and lugubrious sardonic cataclysm because it is pestilential.
You like say this guy they carry us play.
What I'm saying is that since I propelled myself, since I catapulted and galvanized from my terminus aqua, as I was propelling, I left the Spondylic Wonga, Akas and Budo with some police officers.
I hear police for this one when you speak now. Like I say the money there with police. Hey! Wow. See police people here. Now here you go pay your ransom. Let's settle this matter once and for all. Make a pack here. Officer.
Officer, what brought...
I go slap you. You still under my custody. Officer, this man is a lawyer. And in win case today, 10 million. They give him the 10 million for court. You understand? I'm a kidnapper. Make him give me the 10 million where they pay him. In the speak big grammar they give me.
Officer, what I'm trying to...
I go slap you. Don't make me lose my temper where you did. You never pay me ransom. Officer, so I was saying, I want make this man explain to you where the money there because in they involve police. Say Chakanamasha police, so I don't understand. Oh yeah, tell him where the money there. Officer,
since the phone set to go of today, I was propelling, galvanizing, and catapulting myself from my edifice, habitat, and
I beg. This grammar where you speak, I don't hear anyone. Now, my God, they hear this kind of grammar. If we just speak for them, you don't understand them.
You got to hear this grammar?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, see what thing will happen now. As we go meet your guy, straight to the point where the 10 million day. Now you go talk. Collect the money, give me. I go my way. You go your way. I don't release you. You get anything where they had you there? But they stress me. How could they go make go pay my ransom?
God have mercy on us.
Young man, how may I help you?
Young man, tell him where the money day. Exactly where the money day.
Good afternoon, sir. First and foremost, let me introduce myself. I'm Professor by Titus, an academic juggernaut, an erudite egghead, and a long-headed apparatchik in this whole cosmopolitan metropolis. You see, I was perambulating, gallivanting, and catapulting myself from my habitat, edifice, and enviro when these crack-brained glycids and hoodlums peculated, snaffled, absconded, and absquatulated me into their mobile locomotor. And as such, they put me in a state of cataclysm, utmost higgledy-piggledy, and stupendous higgledy-pocus. Now, at some point, they told me that I should give them some Spondylic Wonga, Akas, and Budu that I refused to emit and disembowel. They put me in such a situation that all my body anatomy is now absorbed in a state of namby-pamby prosopagnosia. So at this point, because of this Mephistophelian and macabre attitude from these two Homo sapiens, I want you to file a fundamental that can eclipse and envelop the both of them in a calaboose and hokum hohum.
This man! Well, okay. Very good. I quite understand all he just said. Don't worry, you can go.
You there, man? Officer, you know they go anywhere. Make him give us the money first. Make we see him.
I quite understand all he just said. You understand? But for you to get what you want, you just have to sign it. You first. Very good. Are you? Okay. At this juncture, young man, you can go.
Thank you very much.
Nice doing business with you.
Thank you. Next time.
At this juncture, thank you for your cooperation, for accepting that you kidnapped him and demanded the sum of 10 million naira for ransom. And thank you for signing your sentence of 150 years in prison.
Not be juju be that.
Officer, pick them.
Hell.
The law. But you said I should wait under this tree.
No, not this one. This one there. It has more this thing. Ekwele.
Yes, sir.
Civil lawsuit, Abi.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let's go.
Oh, the law is copyright infringement.
Why they copy from you?
One bastard stole my lyrics.
You are a singer?
I'm a rapper.
Eh. Where's the music? Can I hear it? Use your
No, the law is much better when you listen to it on speaker.
Okay.
What do you think about the song, the law?
No, just have hook. You don't have chorus.
It's a sci-fi.
Okay. Okay. My opinion is relevant. Anyway, please remind me your name again.
Almighty Money Bag. AK.
The name and you have it today.
Olagoke. Good news. 1982.
You are middle-aged man. How much do you want to pay lawyer now?
I was thinking when all this is over that you take some percentage from the streams of my music.
Should I advise you? Allow that person to steal the music.
The law.
It's true now. You don't have money, they steal your music. You collect it now. 41-year-old upcoming rapper. You're older than legend, you know. You that you're supposed to be collecting pension. You are rapping. Wrap it up, nigga. You want to sue. Sue, bang, bang.
Your opinions don't count for shit.
I swear to God, it can't like mad. I was lying. It made percent of your stream. Rivani, Odro, his stream call.
This man.
We are expecting one more couple.
Since
They will soon be here. They will soon be here.
we are tired. Freedom is now.
Hello, everyone. Please observe.
What is he doing?
I think he's trying to kill him. Bam. What am I doing? Nothing. Who is the bad guy? He. Who is the good guy? You. So I beg, please. Now single, we not keep a scene.
Hell! To be very honest, we are tired of this oppression. Social media is no longer a mentally safe space for us. We are tired. We know you guys are not the cause of us being single. Most of us are single by choice. Some of us are single because of the wrong choices we made. But you guys are not encouraging the situation. The pepper is too much. Every time my baby this, my baby that, this dump, that dump. Please, we are tired. Stop making us feel like we're not at peace. And I'm not a person.
Eh? Who just texted you on WhatsApp?
Yo, we're watching a video now.
Who just texted you? It is a girl. Ayo.
Ayo, boy now. Yo, babe.
Boy.
See what they're talking about now.
Even when we turn off our phones.
What's happening? Anywhere I go, TikTok, Instagram, love. You can't see me this one now. I'm not going online again.
No peace in reality.
But mommy, promise you never leave me.
Okay, go calm down. Your breathing, they hurt me for neck. Calm down, I beg. Cancel the ride.
So
okay, calm down.
We are tired. Do your thing, but stop oppressing us. Pity us. Our lives matter too.
We are single. We are proud.
Let us breathe. Let us breathe. Let us breathe.
Let us breathe. Let us breathe. Let us breathe.
Sorry we're late, guys. We have to pick something from home. Since we're here as couples, how about we make some videos together? Oh, you guys came late. They were just educating on one movement.
Movement. Not be juju be that.
Why not?
We don't use our hand, kill ourselves.
This operation will never end.
Rest in the mighty name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
be this?
Jesus.
What type of
Something way back for this.
Sabinus.
Miracle, no dey tire Jesus.
Man, I beg, what be your name? What be your name?
Investor Sabinus.
Investor Sabinus. Only investor dey spray. Less privilege dey pick. What? Investor.
Sabinus. You had fun, right?
Okay, the club sweet though. Now so club the sweet.
That's the way we party in Port Harcourt, eh?
Bros. And that thing what I tell you concerning my house rent.
Okay.
You see, make I come, you go find me money. 20,000 make I use pay.
I gave you money for your rent now. The 20,000 that I gave you at the club.
Jesus! That's my rent.
Before?
I spray am. What?
So you spray self-contained. The kitchen, the toilet, you spray up. That's your business. That's not my business.
I spray my rent. And my landlord daughter they spray that money. The same girl who go still join her with her father pursue me. I spray am.
Not be juju be that.
Times like this, I know just play.